Let's see, 2007. There are two freight given. May sa invoice, may sa BL. What will you do? Which one will you choose? So, doon naman tayo sa power of choosing. Okay, kaya nga may nakalagay na ano, hindi lang basta-basta na freight.
Hindi lang
basta-basta
nag-boss.
na insurance. Ano siya dapat? Dutiable. Mayroon na siyang descriptive word na dutiable. Kasi siya ang karapat-dapat. Di ba naman itawag na jowable? Tingin nyo siya ang karapat-dapat. No? Okay. So, that's the total dutiable
Value.
So, are you ready? Or ano naman, tingin mo na?
Ngayon sa
Or
isa.
else? Okay. First up, under CMO 2007 niya, dutiable. So where can we find the freightage or the freight cost, the freight amount, the shipping transaction? So these are the documents that will help us identify as to how much is the transportation cost. So beware of the term, transportation cost, freightage. Kasi in general, ang definition ng freight is freight. Ano yun? Transporting. Freight is fare, di ba? Pamasahe, fare. Sa daw po pagsabot ay freight, pamasahe. Pero sa, ano yun, ang definition ng freight is cargo. Kaya nga di ba na freight forwarding companies? Bakit tinawag na freight forwarding? Pamasahe ba yung gina-transport? Pamasahe lang gina-transport.
Cargo.
Pero ang gina-transport nila is
Cargo.
I-check the definition kasi
Freight cargo, din siya dahil.
kung nag-specify na to, freight cost, transportation cost, or freightage.
Cargo din siya.
Pero, pagka-case, ano lang, kasi nakaputang freight, consider that one as your, kasi naka-specify naman ng cargo or ano. Sa actual lang application, freight is the freight cost. But again, in general, freight is cargo.
Nawak ko na kaya. Saan to?
Okay? So we have a commercial invoice. What is commercial invoice?
Kadira ang package, sir. Ibutang, tapos
Ano yun?
list.
Please stand up. Please stand up.
Ano, sir?
Sige lang.
Commercial invoice, sir. Kaya nadira ang list sa package. Tapos,
Okay, nadara ang list of package. Guys, remember pag list of package, pag sinabi mong list, it is a document. No? So isa ka dokumento, napag siya yung dokumento.
limot ko sa...
For the invoice itself is a list.
It's a document.
Yeah, it's a document containing the what? What?
Name of the seller.
Information. Guys, di ba dumahan kayo kay Sir Dato ba? CM2? CM2. Goods declaration, di ba no?
Yes, sir.
It's the primary document required in filing or lodging the goods declaration. So dapat, alam mo yan, that's one of the proofs of sale. Bakit siya makonsider na proof of sale? Kasi,
value.
yes, it contains the description of the goods plus the unit cost and the total cost of